Hey! Today's episode is all about good eating. Lucky for me, it's not about good manners. Theme music.
Stop! Please stop! Don't say another word. Credits all those names, all those people. Why do we care? I'm speaking.
Gee, thanks for the visual. Was that a Chewbacca?
No, that was Bucky.
That's me! Cute me. That's the day I learned to burp. You three have had it out for me since the day I moved in and threw all your stuff away. A likely story. Let's skip ahead to some high-quality Cusco TV. Nice, but check this out.
Manatees aren't even supposed to drink soda.
He likes it. In fact, could you be a pal and pick us up another case? Looks like this one's going extra innings.
According to legend, moon beasts live in the cave of Tiahuanaco and feast on the bones of the living. Long ago... Look out!
First priority, ration our food and water.
Ooh, it wasn't easy, but I drank the whole thing.
Settle down, class. Let us not forget what happened to Coley.
The belchy noisy shooter.
But that doesn't spread charity.
But
it's not right.
No, this is what's not right.
excuse me.
Hey, what's that sound?
It's coming from Cusco.
Let's see if I can burp all the way until the logos come on. Here goes.